Okay. Next reaction to is how hydrogen reacts with oxygen. Itu to tumalke class 4 pray pori aisa. The water which we drink is only because hydrogen reacting with oxygen to give rise to water. Hone nai jodi hydrogen aru oxygen e react nokorile hoy ami pani napalo hoy. Hone nai the liquid water which we drink to quench our thirst is only because of the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. We say next reaction to likhisu moi reaction with nitrogen. Etu tumalke porisa class 10 on hydrogen reacts with nitrogen in the presence of a catalyst. My dear, if you all remember what is a catalyst, my last class at koisu, I repeat again, a catalyst is a substance which will accelerate or retard the rate of a reaction but without being consumed in the overall reaction. So catalyst or presence of these two elements react to give rise to ammonia at a particular temperature. So ekhini temperature the reaction to hoy and etu hoise amar pressure 200 atmosphere. Hoise atm nahoy de etu atmosphere, unit to atmosphere. Okay, so in these temperature pressure conditions in the presence of a catalyst, nitrogen hydrogen ekelage ahi it gives rise to ammonia. Next we say hydrogen will be reacting with your metals to produce metal hydrides. We say metal took moi capital M hisabe loisu, forget about 2. Etu moi balance korisu reaction to. I have taken the metal as M, where it may be any alkali metal. As you have seen, metal is reacting with hydrogen molecule, to give rise to metal hydrides. Okay, say for example, etu moi dekhai diu tumalকক metal ami loisu eta holne I reacted with hydrogen. Metals we know are always what? They are electropositive. Etu tumalke porisa, I need not explain this again. Metals are always electropositive, right? So when I have a positive ion here, the hydrogen will have to be in its what? Anionic part. Because we know what? That opposite charges attract. Product ami palo metal hydride. Plus minus eta likha nai kyo? Because the substance needs to be neutral. Clear? Now how do I balance this reaction? 2 ase hydrogen not. So yate 2 to moi kenake anim? Agot eta 2 dia. Hone nai? Agot jite 2 disu, you need to put a 2 here as well. Say example moi tumalkok dekhaisu sodium metal to loisu, hydrogen molecule loisu. Hone nai? Moi paisu product sodium hydride. Now in this case what happens? Sodium or valency into 1. Abo? So sodium or is the valency 1. Ami balance koribo lagile enake korisu. A just like this one. Hydrogen 2 holes wa, sodium 2, sodium 2. Hoise? But yate moi hydride or ketrot sodium hydride or the formula is NaH. Why is it so? Because sodium or valency 1, hydrogen or valency always 1. You cross multiply, you get the formula of the compound as NaH. But if I take the metal to a magnesium reacting with hydrogen this time, magnesium has a valency of 2, hydrogen has a valency of 1. If I cross multiply, I get the formula as MgH2. Is it clear or not? Now how do I balance the reaction? Does it need to be balanced? It's already balanced. Buji paisa ne? Valence to nistoy tumalke jana sage. Jodi najana ba pahorisa. I repeat again. Sodium or swa 281 eneke likha na nai. Hone? The amount of electron, the number of electrons it will either give away or take into to become a stable noble gas-like configuration. Hetuke ami valency buli kau. Hone nai? Ite sodium or ketrot e either eta electron dibo leibo naituba hatta electron accept koribo leibo, which is a feasible or favorable process to give away 1 electron. So sodium plus form kore. Yes, it gives away the electron. So cation will likhisu valency holtar ki valency holtar 1. Magnesium or atomic number 12, electronic configuration 282. Magnesium में Either it will give away 2 electrons or it will accept 6 electrons, which is a favorable process to give away 2 electrons. So when it gives away 2 electrons, it forms the cation Mg2 plus valency 2. এতিয়া বুজি পাইছা নে কিয় মই লিখিছো এনেকে হ'ব আশা কৰিছো বুজি পাইছা বুলি কিবা যদি প্ৰবলেম হয় মোক কন্টাক্ট কৰিলে হ'ল হ'ব so ইয়াতে যেনেকে কৈছো hydrogen reacts with metals to give rise to metal hydride মই general কাৰণে MH লিখিছো okay it may be any metal just like I've showed you each of the examples now. Number 5 reaction, the last reaction for today is how hydrogen reacts with metal oxide to produce the respective metal back again. Okay, metal oxide or my M2 stands for any other metal reacting with hydrogen to give rise to the corresponding metal and logote ami byproduct pao water. Abo